All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, staking the cryptocurrency, even using credit cards to do rewards back in cryptocurrency. Well, I don't know if you've been seeing the advertisement today or yesterday and today about Tom Brady and cryptocurrency. He's talking about how he's getting involved in cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about that here in a little bit. But today is all about Shiba Inu. It's basically outperforming the Dogecoin. We got some statistics. We're going to explain to you why. But we're going to talk a little bit about Tom Brady. We're wearing the Browns today, and for basically them winning yesterday. Go Browns. Again, we said the comment in the bottom who you're rooting for. And this is just so appropriate. Tom Brady is in the crypto. I don't know if you know about Tom Brady. He's won more Super Bowls than any single person that's ever played the game. And he's doing crypto commercials. So with that, let's jump over to Tom Brady. All right, we're going to go ahead and do this, but do me a favor. Don't forget to hit like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Here we go. Let's check out Tom Brady.
You about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
All right. Taking a look at that. Tom Brady. So here we go. Tom Brady's won more Super Bowls than any single person ever that's played the game of football. And he's getting into something big. And she's showing him on the phone. And he's looking at it and he's researching it. And they got to tell everybody. And he's telling them he's getting into crypto. Guess what, everybody? Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. Shiba Inu is not going anywhere. All kinds of things going on. So let's jump back over to Tom Brady. Yeah, this is pretty big over here. Tom Brady ready to accept partial salary in Bitcoin and Ethereum or Solana. That's right. Tom Brady, the quarterback for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, wanted to jump on the crypto bandwagon by expressing interest in accepting partial payments in arrangements in digital assets. The crypto has welcomed an array of people into the market, from celebrities to the average Joe to everyday individual. Global wanted to express that crypto industry, several personalities from sports sectors time again and expressed that crypto, various basketball teams, and other sports personalities have already started to accept the crypto as salary. Tom Brady is also going to join the list. Basically, Tom expressed that he's interested in accepting crypto as a form of part of his salary. Either Bitcoin, what does it say? Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. There's that Solana too. Oh boy.
Do you think we'll ever see NFL players requesting payment in cryptocurrency? And do you think that the owners and the union would agree to something like that?
I think a few players have requested that. I'd love to request that to get paid in.
So taking a look here, what is Tom Brady saying? Tom says, I think it's an amazing thing that's happening in the world with the way the world is becoming more digital. And these digital currencies, along with a lot of it, you know how this works in the world's going on. All these different digital mediums and how they're impacting the currency. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to little Shiba Inu. So wanted to talk about Shiba Inu today. We're going to go through a couple different things. I just thought that Tom Brady thing was pretty interesting. Tom's going to put cryptocurrency on the map here for all of us. But Shiba, here's 47 different places that you can buy the Shiba. I just thought this was interesting that if there's 47 different places that you can get a Shiba Inu, Binance, Coinbase Pro, Bitmart, just to name a few, Crypto.com, take a look, Uniswap, FTX. I mean, you go on and on and on. FTX, there's that FTX that Tom Brady's talking about. So again, right there's the FTX, taking a look. FTX, this is a platform that basically Tom Brady's promoting to buy cryptocurrency, and Shiba Inu is actually on this platform. It's built by creators for creators. You take a look up here, it's got all kinds of different things, Solanas, the different Dogecoin, the Ethereum, the different types of Ethereum. It's pretty interesting here. But Sushi's right here, SOL's right here. But again, Look at all these different places that you can, 47 different places to get Shiba Inu. So that's going to be pretty big. Wanted to go over this, why Shiba Inu is outperforming the Dogecoin today. So yeah, take a look, everybody. Shiba's outperforming. Dogecoin crypto is trailing the coin Shiba. Shiba in terms of 24-hour price. What happened? Shiba is trading, is up 3.84% over the last 24 hours, where Doge was down 1.47. So Shiba is actually outperforming the Dogecoin at this particular time, right this second. Over here, I wanted to show you this. This is, again, we've been talking about Robinhood. The project tweeted, surrounded a petition on Robinhood Market. Literally, there's 185,000 people right here that is listed on this. You know, Robinhood lists 185,000 people. Hope so. Let's go and let's hear them. Woof woof. You know, so Shiba wants to be on Robinhood. Well, Robinhood lists Shiba Inu. 185,000 people. Hope so. Shiba crypto bulls are not settling for just a Coinbase listing. A new petition targeted Robinhood as a potential. So again, Shiba Inu wants to be on Robinhood. We're going to keep getting the nose out, the information out. Send them an email, send them information to Robinhood that you want Shiba Inu on there. You know, again, the Shiba Army, let's go ahead and basically step up and let's get it to happen. Coinbase, again, there's 47 places that you can get your Shiba Inu, but everybody wants it on Robinhood. We want it on Robinhood. You know, again, it says right here, last week Shiba was listed on Coinbase Global and the platform, and it listed earlier on Coinbase Pro. Even though Shiba has best beaten Doge over the last 24 hours in price action, basically Shiba we still want it listed on more different things. So let's redo that last segment. All right, so we're over here at CoinMarketCap, and Shiba Inu is at number 47. There's 507242. In the last 24 hours, Shiba's actually up 2.33%. Now, in the last week, the Shiba Inu is actually down 9.52%. Going up here to the top 10, Bitcoin is at number 1, trading at 44,270. In the last 24 hours, it's actually down 4.78%. Ethereum is at 3156. In the last 24 hours, it's up 10%. So Ethereum is bouncing back up real nice. Cardano is actually at $2.27. It's up 1.91%. Binance Coin is actually up 4% in the last 24 hours. XRP is up 5% and up to almost 6% in the last 24 hours. Solana is actually up almost 10%, 9.46 in the last 24 hours. Polkadot is actually up 4.40% in the last 24 hours. And there's Dogecoin at number 10, rounding it out at about almost 2%. Want to do a big shout out to Cosmos at number 20. It's trading at $40.54. It's actually up about 9% in the last 24 hours. So we just did a video a couple days ago about Cosmos. So if you're interested in ATOM, definitely look at our videos. We just did one. Pretty good information. And then also, we got the AMP coin at number 59. It's actually up 2.85% in the last 24 hours. It's trading just slightly under a nickel on 0.0465. So yeah, Shiba Inu, things are definitely going good for it. We got a lot of awesome stuff happening. So definitely we want the Shiba Army to go out there and let's keep promoting and let's get more people on board with Shiba. But Tom Brady basically getting into crypto. Tom Brady having advertisements on Sunday and Monday when football games are talking. He is the most influential person playing the game right this second. He's got more Super Bowl rings. In fact, for people that don't know, he won all these Super Bowl rings with New England Patriots. Last year, he went and switched and went to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. First year ever, won the Super Bowl. Literally, he's doing the commercial. You know it. And the commercial's talking about there's something big. And there's something big, and literally he's getting into it. And he's calling all his friends. And guess what it is? It's cryptocurrency. Tom Brady. All right, so Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. All this information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to hit subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. And again, my vision is for every single person on the planet to have cryptocurrency. Now with Tom Brady getting into crypto, that's going to be possible. Shiba Inu Army, they're in cryptocurrency. AMP coin, Cosmos token, all these different things. Share this with your friends. We're going to keep promoting cryptocurrency till every single person knows about it. You have an awesome day. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner.